everybody, and welcome with me again in this new video today. I hope you're doing good and you're fine. Oh, what? You're not fine? Oh yes, I forgot you're right, and probably you're so angry and nervous in the right moment. Feeling so desperate because you still didn't fix this network issue. Maybe you want to crash out your laptop just because of that. Well, you just don't do that. Take it easy, be calm, because I assure you you will be kissing your laptop just after this video. And maybe me too, but I'll be alright because I'm sure you can do that. So yeah, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to fix this problem of the network won't work with our browser and keep showing us this message here with this ugly and very sad face here. Sorry sir, saying that this site can't be reached and it's taken too long to respond, even if you know that our network is working fine with no problems. Also, you try to restart the browser, turn your router off and turn it back on again, disconnect it from all cables and connect it again, and still won't fix the issue. Therefore, I'm gonna tell you to forget about all those complicated and very long network settings steps and just focus with me in this video, because I'm gonna show you just only 4 easy, fast and simple steps that will fix this issue for you and gain back your website's connection. So the first step you have to do, and before anything else, is to go for a network diagnostic to make sure your network is really working and has no problems. To do this, you just need to go here to your network icon, click right and press troubleshoot problems. Wait a little bit. If it gives you something like that or like this window, this means it couldn't recognize the problem. So just cancel it, then click here, run in Windows Network Diagnostics, and then you just need to wait until it finishes analyzing. When it's done, it's gonna tell you that your connection is good, but just there is some issue with your proxy settings, like you see here, or maybe a message telling you that everything is working fine and no problems was found with your network. What we know from all this is that there is no problem in our network. But the second step, after we're sure our network has no problem, is going to check the proxy settings, and to do that we'll have to go to network settings. Then look for network and sharing center here, and we'll go click on internet option. We'll have this small window, then click here on connection, and next go down to Lan Settings. So here in this place by default it should be unchecked, but if you have it checked with some proxy numbers here, then you should uncheck it like that and click OK. Me, in my case, I just gonna cancel and then OK, close here and close again. And after, go refresh your website to see if it works or not. Wait a little bit. Okay, it appears not working, so we're gonna move to next step. In step 3, we're gonna go to the DNS settings. So again, we'll just need to go to network settings, then click on network and sharing center like always. This time we click here on change adapter settings, go to our Wi-Fi status, then click right and go down to properties. Then go to Internet Protocol version 4 and click on properties, then it will show you this small window. And by default here the DNS should be set automatically, but we're going to make some changes on it. So we're gonna put some numbers on it, just like you see I'm doing here. First line puts 1 1 1 and 1, and in second one you put 1 0 0 and 1 at last. Then OK, close here and close these ones too. Then just refresh again your websites to see if it's fixed or not the problem. Okay, it appears that this one too didn't fix the problem, but it's not a problem because it's important to apply all these steps from the beginning. So we still have one last step in which we're gonna fix the problem. In this fourth and last step, we're gonna go back to proxy settings. So as usual, go to network settings, then to network and sharing center. Click on internet options, then here on connections, and down here on Lan Settings. What we're going to do now is to go and uncheck this automatic proxy settings here. Then click OK here and close all of this. And then all you need to do is just refresh again your window like that. And here all the magic comes back to you. Here is Facebook. Then just go refresh everything else, like here with YouTube, and also here too. Yeah, look at those wonderful things that were hiding here. Oh my god. Anyways, like you see, everything comes back to work again, and now you can go back to surf the net like a pro. And nice, like always, I think I reached the end of this video. Please again, don't forget the one and only thing that I owe you from all this. Yeah, it's your support, guys. So please subscribe, like, maybe expressing yourself about something on this video. This will be so appreciated and give me the power to give more and more. So thanks for watching. Hope this video was useful for you. This was the Graphic Network channel. Enjoy watching.